Hi guys, today we're going to do ceramic coat on the Model 3.
They come from everywhere to take the challenge. Great multiplier. My eyes adore you. Do that to me one more time.
So if you remember last winter I did the ceramic coating on the Model S. It's held up pretty good. This is about 6 months worth of driving on it. And of course the Model 3 just arrived 3 weeks ago and it hasn't had anything done to it. I believe she wants to put paint protection film on just like I did to the Model S. But today what we're going to do is we're going to put some ceramic coat on. So the first thing to do is let's give her a wash. So don't forget that when you're washing the car, you actually want to use dishwashing liquid, what you use in the sink. You don't want to use any kind of automotive car wash because they have waxes and oils in there, and what you want to use is the dish soap, which actually takes away the wax off the car. Now it's time to dry it. Next, after you've washed it and you've dried it, you got to use some rubbing alcohol, and you're going to clean the whole hood and the grill again, just to make sure there's no contaminants there, any oils or grease. So let's give that a go. So I've washed it and I've dried it and I've put rubbing alcohol all over it to clean off anything that's left. And now the ceramic coating that I'm going to use is the AvalonKing Armor Shield 9. It's a great product. I did use it on the Model S, so let's give it a try. So inside the kit comes a set of black gloves, a number of felt pads, and the block, and of course the product. What you want to do is put the felt over the block. The block has a spongy side and a hard side. You want to put it on the spongy side, wrap it around as such, and then with your product you want to drop about 3 or 4 drops at a time. The intention is to do a couple of north-south swipes and east of west. You want to do a little part at a time, and you want to do 1 to 5 minutes between the application and the buffing off. So what we're going to do is do the whole hood. We're going to wait about 5 minutes because the temperature is not that great here in British Columbia in July. So actually pissed down rain this morning. So I'll do the whole hood, then we'll sort of time lapse it. We'll wait the 5 minutes and then we'll buff it off, and then I'll do the fenders and the nose and take it from there. All right, let's do this. Well, I think I've done it. All I got to do now is just wait for it to dry. I let it set for about 5 minutes and then buff it off with a microfiber cloth. I got to tell you, white is a lot harder to do than blue. It's hard to see the lines, the wet marks. All right, so next you see is buffing. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. Let's buff up the hood. So I want to show you in real time how simple this is. Once you give it a try, you'll realize that when you're paying a detailer, you know, $700-800 for them to ceramic coat your vehicle, you're realizing that that's just money thrown away. You can buy this product from AvalonKing. I think it's anywhere from between $50 and $75. It'll do your whole car and your time. It's only taken me about 25 minutes to do the hood and the front bumper. So I want to show you in real time how you can do this side fender. It's dead easy. Got these little black flies that are pissing me off. So you're going to 3 or 4 drops in, and all you're going to do is you're going to follow the contours. You got to make sure that you're evenly distributing the product. You'll feel in the hand when it begins to dry up a little bit. It'll stick a little bit, and once you feel that it's beginning to stick, then just drop a few more drops on and follow the lines. So I had already done rubbing alcohol on this side and the other side. I've actually already done the other side while I was waiting for everything to dry. And all you want to do is just follow the lines. It gets you knowing your vehicle, knowing all the imperfections. Any new scrapes or bumps you get to find out real quick. You just want to make sure that you cover the whole area, so that's up and down strokes, left to right, just to make sure the coating's everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and do the front headlights on the Tesla. It's a plastic cover. And this product is okay for plastics. What you want to do is put an even coat. It's a lot easier to see the product go on plastics than it is on the white paint. And that's it. Now all we got to do is wait about 5 minutes for this to harden, a little bit of a cure, and then we'll buff it off with a clean cloth. And now all you have left to do is buff it off with your clean cloth. And that's it. That's it. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. There's other videos that I have about the Model S. There's going to be some coming up about the Model 3. So please like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.